Hello guys, welcome back to SR Trader. This is Shankar Rathod. Today is 18th June and market is opening slightly 50 points above. What I am gonna do right now is I'll mark all the levels from scratch since market is jittery and taking support around 15,600 levels. So I'll mark the long-term support. This can act as first support, this area, because it is a potential high and it has crossed that high, and this will become support now. And second support will be around, let's go to 1 hour time frame. Now in 1 hour time frame I can see a support over here, this area. This is a support now. 15,600 levels is a major support, and I'll draw a trend line over here touching all those low, and market is exactly at support, and today it's opening gap up. Okay, market opened at 15,756. Okay, what will be my plan today? I'll go to 5 minutes time frame, and even this may act as resistance now. This area, this was a trend line, it was following yesterday. And what I'm gonna do right now is, since market fell from this area almost 820 levels, I will wait and watch till the market reaches here. When market reaches this area 15,800, if there any selling pressure I may go for short, and let's wait and watch what the market does. I'll keep you posted once the market opens. Then when market opened, it immediately came into a selling, and see here this line was acting as resistance, right? Market continuously hit and it fell, but today it opened gap up. Okay guys, market as and when opened gap up, it immediately came into a selling. If you can see this line, this was acting as resistance. Whenever the market touched that line, it fell. But today, since market opened gap up and fell on this line, it is acting as support. So let's wait and watch what will happen to this trend line and this line. If this breaks with a big red candle, we can see a immediate panic selling in Nifty that may trigger more selling towards downside. What I am gonna do right now is I'll wait until the day's low is breached with a strong red candle, and I'll go for short, because I don't see any reason that market would reach here. By seeing this type of candles, it may turn anytime as and when this line is acting as support from many days. I'll show you in 1 hour time frame. See, this line is acting as support in 1 hour time frame, so I'll wait for this area to be taken out, this area which is acting as support. When this support is taken out, I'll short the market, but it should be a big candle. There should be a big selling candle, and the rally would definitely continue to rapidly towards this area. See, you can see a U-turn here. Market turned with a U-shape recovery, taking this candle as support and this area as support. What will be this area? Around 15,500 rupees, 15,500 to 15,450. This could be area. It may not reach today, but if this area is taken out, I am not telling about today itself, but if today itself this area with a strong candle is taken out, we may have a panic selling in Nifty, and I'll enter and short the market there. But I don't see any entry point here because it is not yet taken out this low, it is not yet taken out the trend line. So I'll be waiting for opportunity. If the direction is clear whether bearish or bullish, I'll enter. I am not just entering for one spike now, I'll be just capturing the rally today. That's my plan. So let's see what will happen, but we need a big red candle here. Without big red candle, I won't be going for selling today. Another scenario that I'll short the market is if this 15 minutes candle, wait, I'll just post in 15 minutes, I'll just make candle in 15 minutes. So if this 15 minutes candle is taken out, I may go for shorting, because I don't see any support over here. and this trend line which was acting support. So let's wait and watch what the market behaves. It seems like we are breaking the trend line here, but it should be a green candle and day's low should be taken out to short the market. Okay, this is the day's low and I have drawn a trend line over here. This pattern is called a triangle pattern. I'll draw just the upper trend line. Now you can see a triangle pattern over here. If this triangle pattern is broken down, I may short the market immediately. Okay, market taken out the day's low and the triangle pattern. Now I'll short the market since I am confident enough that it is bearish. And now I'll take a put option of somewhat far out of the money. And first target would be yesterday's low. Since yesterday's low will act as somewhat support area. I'll see. I'll keep you posted. Okay, I am holding on to my trade. I'll say I'll book my profits over here, but it should be a big spike to make good amount of money. Okay, it's coming. It's almost at the support level. Okay, I'll just book my profits now. And again I entered a second trade after the breakdown of that symmetrical triangle, and I made about 800 rupees, which contributes overall 2000 rupees today. And this is my trade today, and thanks for joining and see you in next video. And if you like my analysis, like, share and subscribe.